Don't throw away your old tights, just put soap in them. My neighbor's method that never fails. Tights have saved me in the most unexpected situations, and now I've learned another brilliant use for them. Get a pair of tights, which you surely have at home, cut a fairly long piece of the material. Take a bar of any soap, but it's best to use one with as few additives as possible. Put the soap into the tights and tie a knot to make sure the soap doesn't move. This form of packaging is the key to success. Now, spray the entire thing with high-proof alcohol. Use this set to gently rub your light jacket. The motions should be gentle but thorough. After rubbing, take a paper towel and wipe away the dirt. Finally, dry the jacket with warm air from a hairdryer. This method works great for cleaning light jackets, especially after winter. Stubborn stains that were hard to remove before will disappear. Your light jacket will look like it's been professionally cleaned. You should do this before putting it away for the next season. Apply toothpaste to a bar of soap. An ordinary bar of soap saves me a lot of time when keeping my bathroom clean. Start by grating the soap using a coarse grater. It's the cheapest disinfectant and works well on tough stains. Transfer the soap flakes to a bowl and add toothpaste. The toothpaste helps bind the ingredients into a uniform sticky mass. Using your hands, form small balls from the mixture, pressing them firmly to maintain their shape. Set them aside to dry on a board. Meanwhile, cut pieces of aluminum foil with scissors. Wrap each soap and toothpaste ball in a piece of foil. Then, use a toothpick to poke small holes in the balls. These cleaning balls are now ready. Place them in the toilet tank, ensuring they're submerged in water. Close the tank, and you're done. These balls last up to 2 weeks, cleaning the toilet with every flush. They create foam, leave a pleasant scent, and prevent limescale buildup. Melt soap and see what to do with it. In a simple way, you will save a lot of money. I will show you a way to use every piece of soap, so you won't have to spend so much money on your next supermarket shopping. Put the soap in water and bring it to a boil. Use 2 cups of water for 1 soap. Take all the soap ends you have at home. From now on, you don't have to throw them away. Just put them in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Heat the soaps until they dissolve. Then, pour the slightly cooled soap mass into a blender. The mass should not be too thick. Add 2 tablespoons of any laundry detergent, 2 tablespoons of table salt, and 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Turn on the blender and mix all the ingredients. Now, take empty, rinsed milk cartons. Cut them as shown in the video. If there are still remnants of liquid in the carton, remove them. Transfer the soap mass to the empty cartons. I used 2 cartons. Then, put them in the freezer for a few hours or overnight. You can take out and use the mass at any time. I will deliberately cut the boxes now so that you can see what the mass looks like. You can cut off pieces of the soap and use it for washing various things. You can also use it for dishwashing, cleaning sports shoes, and above all, for cleaning many different things in your home. This universal soap is better than many detergents and liquids, so you can clean much more with it, and it only costs you a few pennies. Did you know you could use soap ends like this? Combine potato with soap. It's a very effective mixture. Its results are fabulous. Thanks to it, the skin brightens and becomes more beautiful. To make an extraordinary cosmetic for your skin, you will need potato and soap. Choose a very creamy soap. It contains plenty of moisturizing substances. Grate the peeled potato. Welcome to my channel. Write from which city or country you are watching me. Transfer it to a pot and pour in 250 milliliters of milk. Cook it for a couple of minutes while stirring. Grate a bar of soap finely and add it to the potatoes with milk. Blend everything. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and bring to a boil again. Let it cool and transfer to small containers. Such a mask smooths and nourishes the skin. The skin becomes silky smooth. Discoloration and age spots will disappear. Use it daily or every 2 days. You will quickly notice the effects. This is the most eco-friendly soap, and it costs nothing. a perfect alternative to regular soap. It's gentle on the skin, even sensitive or children's skin, yet powerful enough to remove stubborn dirt. Every autumn I collect chestnuts because their properties are truly amazing. Gather about 10 ounces of chestnuts. Place them between 2 towels and crush them with a hammer or mallet into smaller pieces. Chestnuts contain saponins, natural cleansing agents that foam beautifully in contact with water. They clean gently, don't irritate the skin, and have anti-inflammatory effects. Put the chopped chestnuts into a pot, add about 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, and simmer for 30 minutes. Once the mixture cools, strain it through a sieve and pour it into a jar or bottle. This natural soap works perfectly for washing hands and body, doing laundry, or cleaning dishes. It's completely biodegradable, eco-friendly, and kind to your skin. The liquid stays fresh for up to 2 weeks. Put a pair of tights over your vacuum hose. This trick solves a problem you didn't even know you had. Normally, a vacuum cleaner is used for cleaning floors and carpets, but with an old pair of tights, you can use it in a whole new way. Detach the hose from the vacuum tube. You'll only need the flexible part. Insert the tights into the hose, but not completely. Fold the edge over the outside of the hose and secure it with a rubber band. This creates a makeshift filter that traps small objects inside the tights. This trick is perfect when you accidentally spill tiny items like beads, buttons, or jewelry. No need to pick them up by hand. Just turn on the vacuum and collect everything without worrying that the items will disappear into the dust bag. The tights will catch them in one place, making them easy to recover. No need for extra tools or gadgets. It's a quick, clever solution for unexpected moments. Definitely worth remembering. Place a bar of soap in a pan and pour Coca-Cola over it. You'll be amazed by the result. This combination is brilliant. Prepare the pan and then grate an entire bar of soap. It will take a moment, but the results are worth it. Add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, enough to cover the soap shavings. Also, add 100 milliliters of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of salt. Once everything in the pan has dissolved, add the contents of the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Pour the entire mixture into a container and seal it tightly. Place it in the refrigerator and wait for the soap to solidify. When it's ready, it will change color. Use it to clean burnt pans. See how easily you can get rid of burn marks with this homemade trick. Just take a bit of the soap and wash away the burnt residue. It took me just a moment, and my pan looks like new, without scrubbing or using a scouring pad. This mixture doesn't damage Teflon or delicate surfaces.